Welcome to our video on unlocking the power of AI. Today, we will delve into the mind-blowing AI tools and jaw-dropping video capabilities that are revolutionizing the way we create and consume content. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become an indispensable part of our lives, enhancing our productivity and transforming various industries. One area where AI truly shines is video creation. AI tools can now generate realistic human faces, simulate speech patterns, and even compose original music. Imagine having the ability to create dynamic and engaging videos effortlessly. With AI, it's now possible. From automatically editing and enhancing footage to generating stunning visual effects, AI tools enable us to achieve professional quality results in no time. But AI doesn't stop there. It also brings unimaginable possibilities to video consumption. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data and user preferences to deliver personalized recommendations, making our viewing experience more enjoyable than ever before. Furthermore, AI can revolutionize accessibility in videos. Through real-time transcription and translation, those with hearing or language barriers can now fully engage with the content. This inclusivity ensures that nobody is left behind in this fast-paced digital era. Now let's take a closer look at some specific AI tools that are changing the game. Deepfakes, for instance, allow us to create incredibly realistic videos by swapping faces. While it opens doors for creativity, deepfakes also raise ethical concerns that need to be addressed. Another AI tool making waves is video summarization. Instead of watching lengthy videos, AI algorithms can provide concise summaries, saving us time and effort. This technology has vast implications for content creators and consumers alike. In addition, AI-powered chatbots are revolutionizing customer interactions. These virtual assistants offer timely and efficient support, ensuring that businesses can meet the growing demands of their clients. As we continue to tap into the power of AI, it's crucial to remember the responsibility that comes with it. We must promote transparency, accountability, and ethical practices to ensure AI benefits everyone. With great power comes great responsibility. Thank you for joining us on this AI journey, where we unveiled mind-blowing AI tools and jaw-dropping video capabilities. Stay tuned for more exciting insights as we explore the ever-evolving world of technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates.